Today I'm going to show you how to make a script file executable in IRIX. Before I do so, I'm just going to discuss some of the reasons as to why you'd want to make use of a script file in the first place. So I'm going to open up my games folder and go into Quake 3. And inside this folder I've got the actual execute file for the game and the script file that I created in order to run the game from the icon catalog. I placed this script file in the icon catalog, and if I double click on it, the game executes normally. However, if I simply copy an instance of the game's execute file into the icon catalog and now double click on this file, nothing happens except that a message appears in the console telling me that the base Q3 directory isn't present or readable. So there's certain programs such as Quake 3, or any game for that matter, which is not normal nekoware, in that you can't simply run the game from the icon catalog using its execute file. So you'd want to make use of a script file in order to do this. Another reason why you'd want to maybe make use of a script file, and I'll show you with Quake 2, is if you want to run the game with a specific screen resolution. You normally have to type in this rather lengthy command in order to set the screen resolution to what you want it to be. So by making use of a script file, you can do this rather easily with a double click of the mouse. Now that I've discussed the reasons as to why you'd maybe want to make use of a script file, I'll show you how to make one and make it executable in IRIX. I'm now going to show you how to create a script file which allows you to run Quake 3 from the icon catalog. So in order to do this, I'm going to open up Applications, open up NEdit, and I'm going to enter in the following line. The first line that I've entered is hash !bin/sh. The next line that I'm going to enter is a line which allows the script file to be tagged with the game icon. So I'm going to type in the following line. I've typed in a hash followed by tag and left a space. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the console and cd into the Quake 3 directory. So I'm now in the Quake 3 directory, so I'm going to type in the following command. So what I've typed in is tag space -q space Quake 3, hit enter, and then it gives me the following three numbers, one in octal, one in decimal, and one in hexadecimal. I'm going to make use of the hexadecimal number. Okay, so it's 0x4AA9B6D6. I'm going to leave a space, and then I'm going to type in the following command. What I've typed in is SU, followed by a space, followed by root, followed by a space, followed by -C, followed by a space, followed by inverted commas, or open inverted commas, and then a /user, /nekoware, /games, /Quake 3, and then Quake 3. Okay, so this completes the script file that I want to create. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm just going to save it to disk 2 for now. and I've named it Quake 3.1. Okay, so I'm going to go into disk 2, and there it sits. But if I double click on it, what you'll notice is that it doesn't execute. Okay, so it's still just a text file. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cd into the disk 2 directory. And then I'm going to type in the following command. So what I've done is I've typed in chmod space u plus x space Quake 3.1 and hit enter. Okay, and what that has done now is you can see that the file itself has changed. It now has the Quake 3 icon attached to it, and if I double click on it, the game executes. So I'm just going to go ahead and quit. And if I place this file in the icon catalog, I'll just place it under applications and double click on it again. I'm now able to launch the game. So the game can now be launched successfully from the icon catalog. Okay, and this concludes my video showing you how to make a script file executable in IRIX. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it to be informative. Thanks for watching.